August 9th, 2026. Backtesting some data, January data 2026, a couple months ago. Which is fine. I already see we have new week opening gap, so it's a strong draw. Preferably we open low, take out the sell side. All right, not displacement. No displacement below this low. We're gonna need that open low. Not then, like continue. Edged it. Cool. So now I'm really just gonna be bullish the entire way through. 15-minute gap. We're gonna create a 5-minute here as well. Stop this outside. Now see if we can get a move there. No inversion. Fine. I've just been selling off. Let's see if this gets manipulated and I get like an actual offer. And it runs, then so be it. The orange at this 5-minute. So I can take that out. Alright, just no move opportunity. I'm gonna close there. I'm gonna take this. Preferably we can trade back lower. I kind of just want. But I'm just probably not gonna go break even at 5s. Complete discretion. I get an entry off of this 5. Fully full way through. So this back up to this buy side again. My draw is this new opening gap. We have low resistance liquidity. Gonna take it here. Gonna trade with discretion as far as break even. I'll break even this 15-minute. A lot of speed. Steepy. Nice and easy. Beautiful delivery to be. Really nice through it. See, we could have easily tapped that 15-minute gap, came back a bit lower, let's say into this 5-minute right away, right? Slow down when we got into the 15-minute. But then, I'm already break even. I was actually up. This is the 5. Is that new week opening gap you fill? Let's go see. Did not. Cool. Another day target. I want us to continue that move higher eventually this week. Have this 4-hour gap. Untapped, unmitigated. That's gonna be my draw. Anything we can tap into. This discounted 15 minutes. Super fun. And open low into this 15-minute gap, ES or NQ. Super nice. Open low, 15-minute gap, or SMT it. So bullshit. Optimal. Hopefully we don't. What is that? Like that was jump. We're not gonna get an open low. Just anyway. Nice. Again, just looking for nice, like very probable targets to start. This looks so bad. And those look very weird. Yeah. I don't think we open low into that 15 minutes. If we can continue to move lower. I'm gonna quickly refresh. Something up with the candles. There you go. Knew it. Oh, why do the candles look like that? I can play continuation though. See, like I didn't even know that 5-minute. We just happened to this 5-minute. Like I completely just missed. I mean, that's cool. We'll wait until we possibly can get another step. But into this 5-minute gap, I'm pretty sure when I yeah, we're just gonna keep playing it. Let it ride through. This is a break-even trade anyway, right? 1 minute, ES6 is high. Could be like another continuing intermediate low. Good. Okay, so there's an SMT here at this low. Actually, a lot of lows. Didn't make a new 15-minute. Okay, so we have an SMT, yeah, at this 15-minute low. We're gonna get reversal. You have that 1 minute up. Again, I'm looking for longs towards that new. We do end up mitigating the gap. Let's close here. I'm becoming an intermediate low. It's just getting lower and lower and lower down. Not gonna take. I don't think anything yet. This is about to become an intermediate. Just put it on the table. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm not really gonna waste. And it closes right like this after the manipulation, like sweeping the shift intermediate. Time there was really, or noticing time there. Noticing this was about to become not really a lot of this. I'll look at it. I'll take this all the way. 21. Did just take that high. Where's ES? Okay, ES is still fall. I'm gonna let this run. This wants to come lower, then I assume will come. The displacement. We're gonna make a 15-minute. A lot of time. I'll do make a 5-minute. Discounted, so overly close to my being patient. This is time. Again, the S&P doesn't hold. 15-minute gap. Even on NQ. Have 1 minute inversion. Not a lot of speed at all here. Not a lot of speed. I know this is an wants to run it, wants to continue it. Cool. Go to the next step. A week to be honest. Have we mitigated the new week? Why am I in a cool? We still have new week opening gap. It is now Wednesday. I'm assuming these last 3 days are minute. Did just made a gap. 30-minute gap. 5, 4. Here's a 4-minute. Minutes. Oh, a lot of speed. A lot of speed. What was 4-minute here? I would take probably in a part of this. This is a new leg. I don't like Taking this high, closing back inside the range. A little tricky. I'm gonna wait for this 4 minutes. And it closes now. Really nice speed here. Expect us to kill some of these. Dip into this 15-minute. Look how much higher, right? We really want high. And again, I'm going to ride this. In fact, now half of this really bust a move. I even have more than for because we'll bottom out at this low. If I give this full room to run, look where my 1-to-1 is. Still not even at these, like basically at these highs, right? I want this whole new go. That way I can protect myself. Oh, if that wants to get scooped, bottom out. I don't know. 4-minute inversion is delivered for the 50-minute gap. Yeah. Oh, really, really, really easy days here. Very, very, very easy. Again, look at the 50-minute chart. Look how much we. Okay, then we run. It's a lot easier. Get out of this trade in 4-8, about like 60. But hindsight, yeah, just ran. But this is a bunch of speed. Really nice. Yes, was also. But now we're about to make bust a move into new. And a lot of times you'll see a reaction out of here. I could have definitely held to the part. All I need is my piece of the pie. Yeah, I mean, could we have come in down and swept this intermediate low and held the 50? Sure, is my 1-to-1 still in? Absolutely. We're gonna move on to the next day. So this ends up taking probably like a 30-minute. I'm all alone. Have we filled? Yeah, we still need to go gap now. Oh, yes, a little more to go. Clear from this 4-hour gap. One more stuff. This one continue to be maybe an open low here. We're to open low down. This we come sweep this low. Continuation. We are extended though. Like we mitigated these gaps. Definitely wanted. We push through these. Premium. Textbook LR. I didn't even peep all this LR. And the fact that obviously we extended it. We'll see. We'll see what open does. If open rips high and is hourly gap respected, that could be something. Looks like we are going to fund all that LR. This is this guy. Yeah, we are rebalancing flight. Still end up getting the open high. That oh, we don't end up getting that open high at all. Every bounce. Did generate right here though. Yes, it's IM is gonna be here. Like a 15 at 10. Preferably, this gets manipulated. Bullish response. Taking that low, it's now 10. How much speed are we gonna get here? Much. We're taking this low. Definitely not entertaining that one. I had this new 15. Back in OTE of this range. Kind of get it. Yeah, I wouldn't take any. If this low was swept in QNES, then this would have been worth this 1 minute. Gonna continue to let it play out. Wonder if we can trade lower. We're just inside both of these. Both of them got inverted to the side. I expect that. It looks like we are going. So I'm gonna enter a position here, more like the first. I'm gonna worry about what expected it is now. Yes, 6 is 930 high. Out. We're gonna take this trade again through 15 gaps. We did end up retracing. Profit. I'm just skipping by the 50. Second ES 6 is high. Okay, so I'm gonna go break even there. So see, it was good to target. Use ES, right? Sometimes you're gonna use ES as targets. ES looks really enter on NQ. I have no idea why my entry looks like that. I should be down here. I'm break even there. So first free trade. ES has to rally. We didn't even make this 50. That even happen. No, same thing. We push. Yes, also can NQ also get there? We have an entire session, PM session to find out. Looks like, oh, what a rally. Then obviously, of course, I'm break even, but if this gets stopped in profit at like 4, then that those ends up being a break even trade. Oh, crazy. Get a better stop on this 5 minute. Here's a down close candle to support price higher. I want to get 5 minute. Right at the top. Boom, boom, boom. I would have been in there for you. Want. Okay, last day, boys. Last day. Here's previous is high. Low. Either taken on either asset. Bearish candle towards the downside. Inverted this out. Holding this bearish gap, the hourly bearish gap. Here. Holding it. And we inverted this hourly gap to the downside. We're looking very, very bearish. It's an SMT here. But I'm not too worried about it. I'm worried about previous. So let's play it. Play it through. Maybe we open high towards this Immediate high, take it, below it. No, I think we just did exactly that. Nope, we edged it. I'm not gonna make that 5 minute. 4 minute. Closes here. I don't like how we edged this high though. If this high was taken, I would slam this 4 minute. We didn't. No wait. Catch continuation later on. Oh shit. Is it gonna be very good patience generated there? Why would you take the trade there? All right, now bearish S&T. Are we gonna sell off? Are we gonna sell off? Nope, we're going for previous day's high. Okay, so we do dip back into this 5 minute gap. Where's the daily here? Where's ES's daily? We just plummeted towards previous day's high. So I don't mind flipping if this 5 minute. Beautiful. Beautiful continue. Absolutely stunning. Absolute. Again, trade back up into this 5 minute. We just candle closed above this high, right? We didn't soup this intermediate high now, right? We're pushing. Look at that candle close above. Pushing. A plus continuation. A plus continuation. I was also thinking about a few trades ago. I pushed this back to, again, protect against that intermediate low because intermediate lows like to get souped. I just like, where do I put my stop? Stop would have to go like here, 1-to-1, like. So continuation just fails there. Are we gonna run? Stop and run. What are we, 3-1 now? 3-1. Friday. Wow. So you see what I'm saying? Intermediate to lows. They like to get. Maybe my stop would have made sense here as well. Okay, if we want to, like, if we're gonna be bullish these 5 minutes, we're gonna tap them. We're gonna go. We're running. Let's see if my initial thought was gonna work. Hurry up, yeah, just hurry up and fucking hit. Nice, that worked. Really worked. And intermediate to lows like to get to. Could have had it here, 5 minute below. If we're gonna be bullish, both are gonna hold. Yeah. And we break even at previous day's high. Nice. 4-1. My original idea freaking worked. This was just throwing me off. I couldn't have. Then right, this Donko's candle, this OB, like, put it like this low, and maybe it still works. But a really, really, really solid session. All right, boys. Do it. I do this shit.